Imagine the sweeping nature views from this incredible 3-story contemporary condominium in Hamburg, Michigan. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo is contemporary in design and build, lends 1,465 square feet on the top 2 floors and 500 finished square feet in the walkout lower level, and welcome to your backyard. This condo lends access to this incredible nature sanctuary. This is your backyard. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse is perched on the nature sanctuary, comes with a side entry 2-car garage, beautiful, lovely foyer, hardwood floors in all the right places, gorgeous kitchen with sweeping nature views, walkout finished lower level, right out onto the nature sanctuary as your backyard. This lovely condominium was built in 2005 and has so much to offer. Why don't you come inside with me? This lovely 3-story condominium is light-filled, freshly painted, loads of updates, has first floor laundry, kitchen dining room combination, beautiful deck, cozy by your fireplace, and so much more. Let's keep looking. Cozy by your fireplace while enjoying your winter wonderland out of your north-facing window out onto the sanctuary. Wonderful, wonderful, cozy space. Enjoy creating gourmet meals with friends in this oversized kitchen with sweeping views of nature and a door wall out onto a raised deck. Wonderful. In your presentation powder room, this new hand-blown glass sink is sure to please. Impress your guests with this lovely half bathroom on the first floor. The second floor of this lovely condo contains 2 very spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, both with large closets and sweeping nature views. Welcome to your master suite. Here we have a large walk-in closet, sweeping views of nature, spacious bedroom with contemporary coloring, neutral palette, as well as a full bath with walk-up stand-in shower and lovely fixtures. Welcome home to relaxation. Follow me now to the finished full walkout lower level, and let's take a look at your future. This third bedroom, tucked in the fully finished basement of this lovely condo, comes with full closet and spacious access and high ceilings. So this room is ready to go. You'll enjoy full egress out of this gorgeous, fully finished basement with plumbed for a 3-fixture bathroom, also a full walkout onto an incredible nature sanctuary that is your backyard. Take in sweeping nature views with your morning coffee, your morning meditation or yoga section on your platform facing unparalleled views of nature. Make this your home office or a retreat. Thanks again for joining us. Please schedule your private showing today and don't miss the opportunity to draft an offer for this lovely condo. Your future is right here. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Imagine this as your work from home setting. Imagine taking in the sunset from your deck.